Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 29, tissues. In this worksheet we will discuss about collenchyma and sclerenchyma. These are the types of simple permanent tissues. Jigyasa Didi, what gives flexibility to the plant and what makes them strong? ज्ञान ने जिज्ञासा दीदी से क्या पूछा कि प्लांट्स को फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कौन देता है एंड व्हाई दे आर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. Gyan, as we know that along with the parenchyma, there are collenchyma and sclerenchyma, simple permanent tissues present in the plant. So, collenchyma tissues provide the flexibility to the plant and sclerenchyma tissues makes them hard and stiff. There are three types of simple permanent tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Collenchyma provides flexibility to the plant and sclerenchyma make them hard and stiff. Now we will learn about collenchyma. Collenchyma tissues कहाँ मिलते हैं? Collenchyma can be observed in the cross section of leaf stalk below the epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost surface of the plant. Also, collenchyma tissues are present in a cross section of leaf stalk below the epidermis. Cells of this tissue are living and elongated. Cells कैसे होते हैं इनके? Cells of this tissue are living and elongated. Cell walls are irregularly thickened at the corner due to the deposition of pectin in it. Due to this deposition, there is very little intercellular space in them. Intercellular space कैसे होते हैं? Intercellular space are very little. Why? Because of deposition of pectin in the corners of the cell. Flexibility in plants is due to the presence of collenchyma. So collenchyma tissues provide flexibility to the plants and they also provide mechanical support to the plant. These are the function of collenchyma. Now we will discuss about, here the picture of the collenchyma tissue is given to you. These corners are thickened due to the presence of or due to the deposition of pectin. Now we will discuss sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma tissues, mature cells of this tissue are dead, long and narrow. Cells कैसे होते हैं इनके? Sclerenchyma tissue cells are dead and long and narrow. Cell walls of these tissue get thickened by the deposition of chemical compound named lignin. लिग्निन के कारण इनके जो सेल वॉल्स होते हैं वो थिकन हो जाते हैं, मोटे हो जाते हैं. ड्यू टू विच देयर इज नो इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस प्रेजेंट इन दैम. नो इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस. It makes the plant hard and stiff and provide strength to plants. And this tissue is present in stems, around vascular bundles, in veins of leaves and hard coverings of fruits, seeds and nuts. Husk of coconut is also made up of sclerenchyma tissue. Husk means fiber of the coconut is made up of sclerenchyma tissue, and these tissues are present in stem around the vascular bundle, in veins of the leaves and hard covering of fruits, seeds and nuts. And what is the function of sclerenchyma? It makes the plant hard and stiff and provide strength to plant. This is the function of sclerenchyma. Here the picture of sclerenchyma is given to you. These are the tissue of sclerenchyma. Cell wall is thickened due to the deposition of lignin. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, Name the two simple permanent tissue beside the parenchyma tissue. So, name two simple permanent tissue. First one is given to you, parenchyma, second is collenchyma, and third is sclerenchyma. So, you have to write here collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Question number 2. Where is sclerenchyma tissue present in the plant and what is its function? What is the function of sclerenchyma tissue and where it is present in the plant? So, sclerenchyma tissue is present in stem around the vascular bundle, in veins of leaves and hard covering of fruits, seeds and nuts. And what is the function of sclerenchyma tissue? It makes the plant hard and stiff and provide strength to plant. This is the function of sclerenchyma tissue. Next question is question number 3. Why does cell wall of the mature sclerenchyma tissue gets thickened? जो सेल वॉल है आप इसकी स्क्लेरेनकाइमा टिश्यू की वो थिकन क्यों हो जाती है बच्चों? सेल वॉल ऑफ दिस टिश्यू गेट थिकन बाय द डिपोजिशन ऑफ केमिकल कंपाउंड नेम लिग्निन. तो लिग्निन के डिपोजिशन के कारण क्या हो जाती है इसकी सेल वॉल? थिकन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 4. Where is collenchyma tissue located in plant and what is its function? Where collenchyma tissue is located. So, collenchyma tissue is located. It can be observed in cross section of leaf stalk below the epidermis. And what is its function? It provides flexibility in plants due to the it provides flexibility to the plants and also provide mechanical support to the plants. These two are the function of collenchyma. Next question. Differentiate between collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissue. So you have to write at least 3 difference between the collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissue. So collenchyma tissues are living. Cells of collenchyma tissues are living and elongated, while the cells of sclerenchyma tissues are dead, long and narrow. Corners of the collenchyma tissues are thickened due to the deposition of pectin, while the cell walls of the sclerenchyma tissues are thickened due to the deposition of lignin. Third, there is very little intercellular space in collenchyma, while there is no intercellular space in sclerenchyma. And what is the function of collenchyma? You can write collenchyma tissues provide flexibility and mechanical support to the plant, while what is the function of sclerenchyma? Sclerenchyma tissues provide hardness or stiffness to the plant, or it makes the plant hard and stiff and provide strength to the plant. So you can write 4 difference between the collenchyma and the sclerenchyma. Thanks for watching.